our people. We cannot escape being identified with our own people. No matter how high you rise in the entertainment field, you cannot escape being identified with the least little brother in the hood. Michael Jackson is the greatest pop artist that the world has ever seen, and he is the most popular human being in the world. But Michael was treated like a slave on a plantation because of a charge that has yet to lead to a criminal charge. But here's a human being that had to be made to strip, forced in a judge's search order, that if he didn't strip, they had the right to be violent with him and force him to reveal his nakedness, that they may take pictures of him in that manner. That to me says that no matter how big Michael is, to those who look at us with our money, with our Mercedes-Benz, with our fine homes and our fine cars and our prominent positions in life, you're nothing but a nigger. And if you get out of your place, I will have to put you back in your place. Michael Jackson is an extremely wealthy man, but he's an extremely sensitive human being. And if you watch Michael, you can know that the essence of God is in that man. For if God's Spirit was not in Michael, Michael could not touch the hearts of so many millions of people, black, brown, red, yellow, and white, all over the earth. That man has God in him. I can't argue whether he's guilty or not. I don't know that. But I know that the man is being mistreated, and I ask myself, why? Why would tabloid television pay thousands of dollars to people to come on television to say what they say about Michael? Why would they threaten you with the loss of your show? This is what they think, that we are slaves to wealth, to power, to position over principle. And some of us are. But I believe that Michael is becoming politically mature. And Michael wants to use his political maturity along with his wealth to aid his people. And because there are those in high places that may fear the direction that Michael is going, let's strip him of his wealth, strip him of his fame, make him an outcast, then throw him in the laps of his people again. And so, my brother, I appeal to all of our people. Don't be afraid. Challenge your fear and stand up like men and women. For it is not white people that are your worst enemies. It is ignorance and the fear of what they will do that is our worst enemy. So when you challenge fear, as Arsenio has done tonight, he has earned even the respect of those who disagreed with him, because he's not just an entertainer, he's a man. He's a man with principle. Take a quick one. I'll be right back. And how it goes like that, I just want you to get back in this remaining time to our people and how we treat each other. We are the victims of ignorance and an oppressive system. There are more drugs in the black community today than ever before, and there are more guns in the black community than ever before. There was a time when black folk could not get a gun. But now black folk have guns, but not guns to shoot those who have destroyed us, but guns to destroy each other. Our work is to teach black people to love themselves. And you can't love what you don't know. So in Black History Month, all black people and all white people should get to know who we are. And when you know yourself, you'll fall in love with yourself. And when you fall in love with yourself, it'll be exceedingly difficult for any of us to do harm to ourselves. If we don't respect ourselves, who then will respect us? And if we don't love one another, who then can we expect to love us? So the burden is not on white people to change toward us. The burden is on us to change toward ourselves. And when we do that, we will force a change in them toward us. And I would like to close by saying this coming Sunday in Chicago, we will have a satellite broadcast.
15 seconds. I got a letter from a lady who says, will he convert criminals and drug addicts to an army of hate for himself?
I will convert criminals and drug addicts to an army of love for ourselves. And if we can find a way to communicate that same love that we have for self, it won't stay there. It's for the total human family of the planet Earth. As long as you don't mistreat us, you don't have to fear anything coming from us.
We'll be right back with the Kirk